How to fix privacy warning Wi-Fi on iPhone. If your iPhone shows a privacy warning message under a Wi-Fi network, it usually means your iPhone's private Wi-Fi address or security settings are not properly configured. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the settings app on your mobile device. Once in there, tap on the Wi-Fi, then tap on the info icon next to the Wi-Fi network that you are connected with. Then tap on the forget this network and confirm, and reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password again. This refreshes your network settings and often removes the privacy warning. Now go back to the settings and tap on the general option available there, and tap on the software update and install any pending updates available. Sometimes a small iOS bug causes incorrect privacy warnings. Now once you've done so, go back to the settings general, scroll down and tap on the reset or iPhone option available there. Then tap on the reset, then tap on the reset network settings. Enter passcode and confirm. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, VPNs, and so reconnect afterward. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.